What if I told you there's a world hidden from our eyes? A world where humanity found a way to live in unexpected places. Welcome to Atlantis 2150, the first city built 3,000 meters under the ocean. Here, future tech has merged with nature into one. Our roads glow with bioluminescent algae, and transport moves like sea creatures. Our buildings aren't just glass and metal, they are living organisms, growing with the city, purifying water, and making oxygen. Every Atlantis resident is a pioneer, exploring a new world. We've learned not just to survive underwater, but to live. Our scientists make discoveries daily that were once dreams. The ocean depths hold secrets that could change humanity's future. But the most amazing thing about Atlantis isn't tech or architecture. It's realizing humanity can create paradise in unexpected places. Now think, what if Atlantis is just the start? What if underwater cities are the next step in evolution? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready to live in the underwater city of the future?